So one morning while drinking coffee, I thought to myself, what OS does North Korea uses? Surely not Windows.
So I pulled up my Google search and searched what OS does North Korea uses. This is the Red Star OS. This OS is created from Fedora OS. It's highly modified version of the Fedora Linux. So it's a Linux-based OS that's been using by the government and authorities of North Korea. So it's like the only OS that works there. Apparently, we have a leak like the ISO of the OS. That means we can try and use the OS. Like, why not?
So as you can see, my ISO is perfectly ready and I can just boot it up. But I'm not gonna install it on my actual hardware. But just for testing, I'm gonna use a virtual machine. You can use VirtualBox or maybe Hyper-V, I don't know. But in my case, I will use VMware. So now we will select the ISO of our retro OS so we can boot it up. So we will click on the next button over here and then we will proceed and create the virtual machine.
So there we go, guys. Our machine is finally booted up, and now we can configure our OS. So what should be my username? I mean, what are you expecting else? Finally, the moment of truth, and there we go. Red Star OS is finally booted up in our system.
Hopefully I didn't install Nuke on my machine. So let's put it up our password and see.
This shit looks good, not gonna lie. Even though it's just the modified version of the original shit, but it's still, I mean, so it gives me the Mac OS vibe, and yeah, it's completely Fedora OS, so we can just like customize on our own, as I believe, if we like able to bypass the securities of this operating system. Home, home, sweet home. It's our terminal, guys. And this should be the browser that used to nuke our cities, I guess. And of course, it's also modified version. So it's just a modified version of Firefox, and our North Korean folks actually likes to just take a like open source or any software and just edit it and make it like market it at their own. And also this browser is like very limited to like internal sites. Okay, and this is like the piano something or a musical stuff which I don't know, and it's very suspicious for a, I don't know, I might create a new system over here. And we got our Microsoft Office ripoff copy for North Korea. So like they use for like a replacement of Microsoft Office, if I'm not wrong. And so it should be like Word type. So yeah, we can just like write our stuff, and that's all. And this should be a spreadsheet software like Excel, and I'm really surprised that it has like formulas and stuff, so it's actually usable. So that's all about this OS, and if I get 5k like, I will make a video playing Minecraft inside this OS. And if you're interested, just hit the like button, and yeah, thanks.